Anatomy and physiology, cardiac auscultation. Here is a diagram of the bony thorax and heart. Let's look at the areas where the heart sounds or closing of the valves is assessed. First is the aortic area, found at the second intercostal space, right sternal edge. The pulmonic area is located at the second intercostal space at the left sternal edge. Erb's point at the third intercostal space, left sternal edge. The tricuspid valve can be heard at the fourth intercostal space at the left sternal border. And the mitral valve is clearly heard at the fifth intercostal space at the mid-clavicular line. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tutorials and quizzes. Thanks for watching.